In this video, we are going to see how we can turn on or turn off the screen time on iPhone. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. All you have to do is just head over to the settings. And once you are in the settings, you will scroll all the way down to the option where it says screen time. Click on that. And if you want to turn off the screen time, you will scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will click on turn off app and website activity. You click on this and you confirm it. Now, after that, you will see that your screen time doesn't appear here. Now, if you want to turn on your screen time, you will click on limit usage. Under limit usage, you will see app and website activity. Click on that. Click on turn on app and website activity. And now it will start showing the screen time again. And that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.